Hello viewers, today we'll discuss the benefits of cinnamon, lemon and apple cider vinegar. So, cinnamon, lemon, and apple cider vinegar are all natural ingredients that have been used for centuries for their potential health benefits. Here are a few ways in which a drink made with these ingredients may be beneficial for human health, along with some ideas for how to make it. So first benefit we would like to share of these ingredients is about blood sugar control. Cinnamon has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Some research suggests that consuming cinnamon may help to lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. The second benefit of these ingredients is about heart health. Some studies have shown that consuming cinnamon may help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to have potential heart protective effects. The third we will be talking about is weight loss. Some research suggests that consuming apple cider vinegar may help with weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing calorie intake. And the last one is digestive aid. Lemon has high levels of vitamin C and may help to stimulate the production of stomach acid, which can aid in digestion. Apple cider vinegar may also help to improve digestion. To make a drink with these ingredients, you can mix together a teaspoon of cinnamon, the juice of half a lemon, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of warm water. You can also add a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cayenne pepper for added flavor. It's worth noting that it's important to consume these ingredients in moderation as part of a healthy, balanced diet. Some people prefer to drink it first thing in the morning, while others prefer to drink it later in the day. It is generally recommended to drink it on an empty stomach, such as 30 minutes before a meal. You can also try drinking it before bedtime. Keep in mind that it is not recommended to drink this drink immediately before or after exercising, as the vinegar can cause irritation in the throat when consumed in large amounts. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any of our videos related to health and home remedies.